Horse, hard reset. Let's fix. Take your phone. You don't know your pattern lock. Don't worry, let's fix the problem. Please turn off your phone. Press the up volume button and power button. When screen on, release the power button and hold the up volume button. When show this Android pop up, again press the up volume button and power button. Successfully recovery mode on. Now select the wipe data factory reset. Select the second option. Wait a few minutes, your phone is factory resetting. Successfully work completed. Now reboot your system. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.